let's take a look at this graph. So this graph is a piecewise function defined by this. You can see it goes along here, and then it jumps up to here, jumps up to here, and then it goes down. So for the limit as let's say x approaches 2, we can see that if we were to approach 2 from the left-hand side, right, it would look like the limit is 1, right, because it keeps getting closer. Well, it keeps staying at 1. If we were to approach the limit from the right-hand side, we could say that the function keeps getting closer and closer to d. Oh, sorry, 3. So the left-hand limit would be 1, and the right-hand limit would be 3. But the limit in total, just the general limit, would not have a value because the right-hand limit does not approach the left-hand limit. If we were to look at the limit as x approaches this point, right, from this side it approaches 1, from this side it approaches 1, so here the limit would be 1. But here the limit would not have a value. Same thing with this point. Here the limit would not have a value. Here the limit would have a value, right? Because if you go real close, you could see that when you come from this side, you approach whatever that value is. And if you go from this side, you approach the same thing. It looks like it's 0.1-ish. But yeah, in order to have a general limit, they need to approach the same value from both the left and the right side. You can have just the left-handed limit, right? Because the left-handed limit of this is 1, and you can just have a right-handed limit. The right-handed limit of this is 3. But in order to have just a limit, these two values need to be the same.